Back to Taj's Garden. I'm the gardening realtor, and if you're new here, I'm glad you're here. If you're returning, welcome back. So today we are going to be attempting to finish our new garden, the small raised beds. This is going to be part 2. Hopefully it's the last part, but we shall see. I want to show you guys my seedlings. The seeds that I have had, a lot of the brassica seeds that I've had has it's just been old, so I've had to restart a lot of them. My collard green seeds are doing phenomenal, but everything else did not do phenomenal. My lettuce seeds are doing great. My sandy lettuce is just starting to come up, as you can see, but everything else is doing wonderful. This Tom Thumb lettuce, all of this came up super fast. And then my prize head lettuce is doing great. This Lola Bionda, it came up not too long ago. And my Swiss chard is a bit leggy, so I'll be rectifying that situation. I'm going to replant all of these Swiss chards, and I'll just plant it deep and see if they can recover. But I have had this fan on them for some time. They do need a little bit of water because of this fan. So I've just had it oscillating to give my seedlings the strength that they need. And because of that, they have been drying out. Here are some more brassica seeds. These are actually some red Asian cabbage that I ordered from a Caribbean seed company that I will link in the description below. Anyway, let's head on outside. And I have a couple of more seedlings out here. These are a couple of brassica seedlings that I've been trying to harden off. Right now my husband is starting the perimeter of that garden. You already started?
I did it to like close it so we could just use this to hold the top down, like put in there when we get the brick in there.
While he's getting the perimeter all squared away, I'm gonna go ahead and head to Tractor Supply and get some landscaping pins, and then I am going to probably go to Walmart and see if they still have these bricks. Here we go. I'm gonna go on in and get some landscaping pins. Hi. Do y'all ever feel bad about immediately entering the store and asking somewhere where something is? Because I do. So I'm trying to find it before I ask for help. It should be outdoor, in the outdoor section. I saw online that there's only 3 left, but Tractor Supply, at least this one, doesn't tell you what aisle anything is on, which is irritating, but I'm gonna see if I can find it first. Found it! 25 pack and a 75 pack. I think I'm gonna get the 75 pack because I also use landscaping pins to hold down my little baskets that I use to cover my plants during the springtime. And they always go missing, so I'll get the whole 75 pack, and it's only $7.99. Let's go pay for it. Oh, you want to hold it? Okay. Got it? Okay, let's go pay for it. You want to give it to her? Okay, give it to her.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You want to carry him? Thank you. Have a good day.
All right, you too. Let's go. You excited?
Yeah.
Doesn't look like they have much here.
Mama, good. Mama, good.
Okay, they do have the brick. They are $1 each. Alright, so I have gotten 22 of these in here because they are about a foot apart. Heavy. It's the next day, and now we are going to go ahead and put these bricks into the border of this garden. This is how the edges look. My husband dug up the edges of the garden, and we are going to make sure it's deep enough. I forgot that I got these landscaping pins, so I'm gonna go around and put as many as I need to hold this fabric down. Right, so I was a little off. Oh wait, there's some space in between this one. It's still gonna be needing another brick.
If anything, if there's space, then you're gonna suck from over there.
But you see the space right there, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, so
what do they got to do with anything?
and some space right here. It may help a little bit.
Help what?
I don't know. So anyway, I was a little off, just a smidge. We need 2 more bricks. Oh, we found a cicada killer. Oh, it's holding one.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to tell you.
Oh, it's eating it.
Yeah.
Ooh, look.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. I get. Oh, it's clear on this. Look at this.
You can't even see it on the camera. Oh, wow. Where you going? It didn't even do nothing to you. Oh my goodness.
That sucker was like, you should see it.
You
on the
just saw
phone,
the
it looked like it looked right at me.
You said what?
On the phone, don't play at me.
You said it looked right at you.
Yeah, because I have it on Zoom. You should see it.
Oh my goodness.
You should see my Zoom. I thought it came straight at me. I heard that zzz,
Oh my
while I'm
goodness.
gone, dude. Look.
It went to the other part of the ground.
I didn't know that.
Well, circle of life, people. You can hardly see it on this camera. I can't get too close. I need 2 more bricks right here and right here. Then I need to figure out if I'm going to put some mulch or some rock down here. Well, guys, we took a little break. And during this little break, I burned myself. So I was trying to cook myself something, and the hot grease splashed onto my hand, and I immediately ran out to get some aloe vera, and it just kept burning. And then I, after doing some more research, found out I was supposed to let it run under some cool water. So now it's still burning, and it's been 2 hours. So anyway, I'm gonna do what I can. There's no stopping it. We have to get this bed done. So we are completely done with the flower bed, which I am so excited about. It's going to really come in handy during the fall garden, and of course next spring, but we are definitely going to be using it for the fall garden. I'm going to be planting lettuce, kale, flowers, some of everything in those 3 round raised beds. I think it's going to be absolutely beautiful once we actually get everything planted. So that is going to be the next step. I have a couple of kale seedlings that are planted in there, which I'm pretty sure they're going to bounce back. But if not, I have some more up my sleeve. So if you have not already subscribed, please subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you want to be a part of an amazing gardening community on Facebook, head on over to Facebook, type in Prosper and Plant, and I'll see you over there.